If you are someone who is concerned about your vision or simply want to keep your eyes healthy for as long as possible, then you are in the right place. In this video, we are sharing health wisdom inspired by the groundbreaking work of Dr. William Li, who is not only a globally recognized physician and scientist, but also a passionate advocate for using food as medicine. Today, you'll hear about Beth, who at 72 years old, has been successfully preventing cataracts and protecting her vision through simple, nourishing changes in her daily diet. This story is not just inspiring, it is practical and deeply human, and we want you to be part of this journey. So please, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone you care about, leave a comment to join the conversation, and subscribe so you do not miss any of these life-changing tips. When Beth turned 70, her optometrist told her she was showing early signs of cataracts. "Nothing urgent," he said, "but something to watch." That moment hit her like a whisper from the future. Her mother had lost much of her sight in her later years, and Beth vividly remembered how much it limited her independence. Rather than waiting for it to worsen, Beth began to research. She stumbled upon Dr. William Li's work and was captivated by how clearly he explained the body's natural defense systems, including the role of stem cells and telomeres in health, healing, and longevity. What caught her attention was the idea that food could be a powerful, proactive tool to regenerate cells and maintain strong vision. Dr. William Li has spent decades researching the body's 5 health defense systems, including angiogenesis, regeneration, the microbiome, DNA protection, and immunity. He has shown that we are not passive victims of aging or disease, but rather active participants in our well-being through the choices we make daily, especially the foods we eat. His studies emphasize that some foods do more than nourish. They spark biological renewal. Beth took this wisdom to heart and created a daily diet around foods that help protect and regenerate the cells in her eyes, especially by supporting stem cell activity and preserving telomere length. Now, if you are wondering what telomeres are, picture them as little caps at the ends of your chromosomes. Just like the plastic tips on your shoelaces prevent fraying, telomeres protect your DNA during cell division. The longer your telomeres, the healthier your cells remain. As we age, telomeres naturally shorten, but research has shown that certain lifestyle choices, especially food, can slow that process down. Stem cells, on the other hand, are like your body's raw materials. They help rebuild damaged tissue, including the tissues in your eyes. Keeping both telomeres and stem cells in good shape can make a remarkable difference in how your body ages, including your eyesight. Beth began making small changes, starting with breakfast. She now begins her day with a bowl of steel-cut oats, topped with a generous handful of blueberries and walnuts. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins that protect eye cells and have been shown to support telomere length. Walnuts provide healthy fats, including omega-3s, which are known to nourish the retina and support brain function as well. She often adds a spoonful of ground flax seeds for fiber and a pinch of cinnamon for blood sugar balance. The flavors are warm and comforting, and the meal gives her energy without weighing her down. Mid-morning, she sips on green tea, rich in antioxidants called catechins. Green tea is not only calming, but also supports DNA protection, which is linked to maintaining longer telomeres. Occasionally, she adds a slice of lemon to boost vitamin C and enhance the tea's absorption. Dr. Li often highlights the synergy between different foods. It is not about superfoods in isolation, but about how they work together within your body to activate healing systems. Lunch is where Beth gets creative. She typically makes a big, colorful salad using dark leafy greens like spinach and arugula. These greens are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrients that accumulate in the eyes and help filter harmful light. She layers in tomatoes for lycopene, chopped bell peppers for vitamin C, and avocado for its eye-loving fats. For protein, she rotates between grilled wild salmon, boiled eggs, or chickpeas. Salmon is especially important as omega-3s play a significant role in preventing dry eye and maintaining the integrity of the retina. Dr. Lee encourages variety and color on the plate, and Beth has made that her daily practice. For dinner, Beth likes to keep things simple and warm. A bowl of lentil soup simmered with garlic, onions, carrots, and a sprinkle of turmeric is one of her favorites. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been associated with both anti-inflammatory effects and stem cell activation. On the side, she might have a piece of roasted sweet potato, rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, vital for night vision. This meal not only satisfies her hunger, but also feels deeply nourishing. She sometimes adds a handful of chopped kale or spinach into the soup for an extra boost of lutein, a nutrient that directly supports eye health. A drizzle of olive oil adds richness while enhancing nutrient absorption. Beth lights a candle at dinner to create a calm, unrushed space to truly enjoy her food. Eating slowly, she says, helps her feel more connected to her body and more grateful for the healing power of each ingredient. For her, dinner is no longer just a routine, it is an opportunity to restore, replenish, and reflect. Desserts are not off limits, but Beth has reimagined them. She enjoys a small square of dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao, often with a few raspberries or a couple of Brazil nuts. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids that support healthy circulation, including to the tiny capillaries in the eyes. Brazil nuts, though small, are rich in selenium, which helps with oxidative stress, a factor in aging and cataract formation. She sometimes adds a spoonful of almond butter or a dusting of cinnamon to her chocolate for a warm, cozy twist that feels indulgent without being heavy. Dr. Lee reminds us that food should bring joy as well as health, and Beth says these little indulgences make her feel cared for. Even a few bites can feel like a moment of mindfulness, a way of slowing down and honoring the body's needs while still enjoying something delicious. For Beth, dessert has become a ritual of nourishment and pleasure, not guilt. One of the most powerful shifts for Beth was realizing that this was not about dieting or restriction. It was about supporting her body to do what it already knows how to do: repair, renew, and protect. She started walking more, spending time outside, and practicing gratitude each evening. These small acts, combined with nourishing food, created a sense of wholeness. Her vision stabilized, and her eye doctor even noted that her cataracts had not progressed. Beth says she feels more energetic and grounded than she did in her 60s. So let me ask you, how are you caring for your eyes each day? Are there foods in your kitchen right now that could be your allies in healing? If this story has sparked something in you, consider making just one change today. Maybe it is swapping your afternoon snack for a handful of blueberries. Or maybe it is adding spinach to your sandwich. You do not have to do everything at once. Beth's journey began with one breakfast bowl and a sense of curiosity. There is something powerful about choosing to care for your future self today. Dr. William Lee teaches that food is not only fuel, but information. Every bite tells your body what to do. Will it build or break down? Will it protect or leave vulnerable? When you choose foods that activate your body's natural defenses, you are not just preventing disease, you are investing in vitality. Beth's story is not a miracle, and it is not meant to suggest that everyone will have the same results. But it is a shining example of what is possible when we align our daily choices with health wisdom. Her journey reminds us that age is not a barrier. It is a chance to begin anew. You are never too old to nourish yourself with intention. Think about how different your day could feel if your eyes were clearer, your energy steadier, and your confidence in your health stronger. Imagine making meals that not only taste good, but actively support your vision, your memory, your resilience. That is the path Beth chose. And you can choose it too. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If Beth's journey gave you some new ideas or encouragement, let us know in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone else. And if you know a friend or family member who could benefit from this kind of health wisdom, please share this video with them. We are building a community here that believes in the power of food and the strength of shared stories. So do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join us on this journey toward better health together. Your next chapter could begin with your next bite.